My name is Lene Schneller with Lene's Gourmet Pickles, and today I'm going to show you how to make mango ginger pickles. These are great to add a little fun kick to any sort of Thai dish, a sweet and sour stir fry. It just adds something a little fun and different. So we're going to start off with 1 to 2 ripe mangoes. You want to cut them up into small chunks about this size and set them aside. And grab a small saucepan. In that pan, you want to put 2 cups of apple cider vinegar and 3/4 cup of sugar. The apple cider vinegar is a really nice flavor with the mango. So put this on the stove and boil just until the sugar is dissolved, about 10 minutes on low. So while it's cooking, you want to take your mango slices and put them in a glass jar. Fill it almost to the top, but leave a little room. And we're going to put some fresh ginger. Now it's really important to use fresh ginger. It tastes much better than dried or dehydrated. So take a couple little slices, as much as you'd like. Ginger has a pretty strong flavor, so I use 2 or 3 slices usually. And put them in the top of the jar, along with a little fresh cilantro. I love cilantro with mango. It adds a really nice flavor. So put as much as you'd like at the top, and then we're going to grab our brine that's done. I have some here that's already been prepared, and we're going to slowly pour it over the top of our mango mixture and seal with the lid. So super easy recipe. You want to keep it in the fridge for about a week before eating to let all the flavors blend, and then put it in any of your favorite recipes. Substitute for pineapple or any other sort of acid to add a really fun kick.